So when you are required to do group work, you are first going to go into People. That is where you will find the tab for groups. The first tab that will open will show everyone in the class, but you're going to go into groups, and whichever group that you are in, you will see a little visit link. Um, if you aren't a part of table F or a different table, you won't see a link there. But whatever group you're in, you'll see a link. You're going to visit that. And then in here, this is your group's homepage. You can look in People here, and it won't show the whole class. It will only show people who are in your group. So this page is specific for this group. So all of the work that you do in here will only be visible to your group members. If you go to the home page, you will see that there's an announcement button here. So if you create an announcement, that will only be, let's see, you can click on Add Announcement. The announcement will only go out to your group. So maybe if you need feedback on assignment, you would just type in there, I need feedback, and then maybe upload. You would just embed your image in there and upload your image into the file so that people can read it or look at it and give you feedback on there. You can also create your own pages if you are going to work together as a group and create different pages for your group. You can create discussions also. So you can do a threaded discussion of getting and giving feedback. Again, this is my landscape assignment. I would like feedback, and then embed your picture in there, and then people can respond to it. And you can click on allow threaded replies and allow liking, and then create it. But what else? You can also share files with each other. You can upload files from your Google Drive, or if you're on a desktop or a laptop, you can upload from your desktop or laptop. You can also create conferences where if you click on this and add a conference, you can put in there theme work. Oh, let's say 60 minutes is enough. Maybe let's put no time limit on there because we don't know how long it's going to go. But if you don't want it to go past 30 minutes or 50 minutes, you can put the time limit in there. You can try and record. It will take up a lot of bandwidth, but I wouldn't recommend recording it, especially if your teammates don't want to be recorded. And then you would just put in there, hey, comma, let's meet at 3 p.m. on September 25th to discuss themes or whatever assignment it is. And then that will be in your description. And then up here, it's always good to put in the time, 3 p.m. on September 25th, theme work, or whatever the name of your assignment is. But put in the date. Put in the date and put in the time, and then the title of whatever it is that you're doing, so people know which ones to click on, because other people might put theirs in. You can put like Drung in there if you're the one who created it, so they know who created it, and then click on update. And if you click on update, there's your new conferences right there. So if I click on that, it kind of collapses into that, and then I can click on the little down arrow, and then you'll see that there is a conference that is set for 3 p.m. on September 25th. And then when you all are ready, you can click on start, and then it will invite, or it'll open up like a Google Meet or a Zoom Meet. And then everyone who's in this group can click on start on their own Chromebooks to get into the conference. When you're done and you conclude the conference, it goes into here, and you can delete it eventually. But you can check all your concluded conferences in here. So that's how you would create conferences. You can also collaborate on projects and things like that in collaborations. You would just add a collaboration there. I haven't used this very much, but it would be interesting for you all to work on something like this. You can create a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, give it a name, and then a description, and then you can even like click and drag people into collaborators like that, or remove people and things like that. So, really useful tool, your homepage, your group's homepage. I would suggest using it to get to know each other and work together. It's a really good tool.